One. Now, the other important trend that's come to light in the last couple of months is the industry offering products which have a very high sum assured. We're talking about policies which give you a cover as high as 1 crore rupees. The question is, how much do they cost? So we went out and looked at some examples. Let's actually pull them up on the screen for you. And the interesting takeaway is that these 1 crore rupee policies, they actually don't cost as much as some of the other ones. I mean, this is an example with Max Bupa, one of their plans, the 10 lakh rupee sum assured, the annual premium. This is for a 40-year-old, by the way. We just took one example as a prototype. So the 10 lakh rupee sum assured policy, the premium is 12,000. It keeps rising. 25 lakhs is higher, 50 lakhs is higher, 75 lakhs, you're paying about 23,000 rupees in a year. Look at 1 crore. The cost for 1 crore is as little as 12,700. This is for a 40-year-old. So we saw some more examples. Let's take a look at the next one. This is Star Health, again for a 40-year-old, basically a middle-aged person. Look at 10 lakhs. It'll cost you about 14,000 crores. The cost then sort of rises as we speak. For 1 crore is 22,000, roughly 23,000. But look at the differential, 75 and 1 crore. Again, let's look at one more example for a 30-year-old, a younger person. We picked up a policy from AB Capital over here. For 10 lakhs, you're paying approximately 8,000 rupees in annual premium. For 1 crore, you're paying only 9,500. So why wouldn't you go for 1 crore? That's the basic layman question. And that's exactly what I'm about to ask our panel. So let's turn to the experts. Now, Mahavir, you explain this to us. What is this new big concept? I mean, 1 crore rupees of sum assured. The price is not looking too high. There has to be some devil in the detail, right? Tell us what's hidden in the fine print.
Right. So, Surbhi, this question has been very regularly asked on our Beshak forum, and we were also very surprised when we saw these premiums for the first time. You know, even from being from an insurance industry for such a long time, I was myself zapped to see that, you know, what kind of premiums how can premiums go down after a certain sum insured, right? So typically there are three things which basically result in these premiums being lower. One of them being that most of these are combo plans. So there are plans which have two plans attached together. There could be one plan which could be like a 5 lakh and a 10 lakh cover, and then a super top up which could be attached to it, and it could become a 1 crore cover. So that is where some kind of price advantage could be created by offering a product like that. The second is that the product could be different. The 25 lakh product that you're looking at on the screen and the 50 lakh product that you showed on the screen can be different from a 1 crore product. So giving an example, very simple example, is that the room rent limit of a 50 lakh product could be way better than a room rent limit of a 1 crore product. For example, 1 crore product to have a private room cap, and the 25 lakh and a 50 lakh product could not have any cap, right? If I was buying this plan, I would buy a 50 lakh cover with no cap instead of buying a 1 crore cover with any kind of caps. So these kind of things basically result in the premiums being low. The third most important thing is that right now, what we're seeing is that typically the claim sizes that insurers are going to see, what insurers charge premium for today, is not about how much cover you take. It's more about how much you are going to claim, right? The claim utilization is what an insurer is going to look at when they are going to make a premium calculation for any customer, right? So when you look at a 1 crore cover, what happens is that you're looking at, a very large cover of 1 crore versus a premium which is so low. The reason is that the way the insurer is looking at it is that you're not going to utilize this cover immediately. Your cover utilization will be less than 10 lakhs at any go. So the remaining part between 10 lakhs and 1 crore is usually not going to be utilized in the short run.
Okay.
This connects back. Sorry, I'm taking one more minute. This connects back with the price rise that we spoke about in the beginning of this conversation. Is that please understand that right now it's great, right? Please buy a cover which is highest as possible, because we've seen in the COVID times that, hospital bills can be insane. At the same time, please understand that when this pricing is attractive today, it may not remain attractive forever. The prices could catch up in the long run, and you could end up paying more in the future. So be ready for a slight downgrade. Let's say after 20 years, you may have to downgrade from a 1 crore cover to a 50 lakh cover, which should more or less be okay, Right? So that's my suggestion
Okay.
to
Okay.
viewers.
So, all right, thumbs up, read the fine print. Make sure you look at all the sublimits and the copay clauses, all the fine print. Don't get away from that. But still, thumbs up to the 1 crore rupee cover. It could be beneficial in the long run. Tarun, very quickly, we're also coming down to final thoughts on the show. So, your take on the 1 crore product and any other advice? I mean, generally, what is it that people must keep in mind, especially in 21, and the kind of policies they can perhaps consider?
So my take here is that the 1 crore product is a no-brainer. I think one should absolutely buy this product. The reason being that I agree that, if you look at a 25 lakh rupee plan and a 1 crore plan, there is a limit that allows you, at least in 3 plans exist today, that you can go to a single private room. Please remember, however, that if in case of an emergency and you do need to spend, if the chances of spending 1 crore are less, but if they do happen, then they will, the one thing you will not be worried about is which room you're going to stay in. And for me, that is the most important part. Cancer, stroke, all these things, they cost a lot, and they can potentially cost a lot when the treatment is exploratory. And hence, I think that we should just look at the part of insurance as being the one that's protecting you and not for comfort so much, because everything else in the product is the same. So my take is there are 3 products. There's Aditya Birla Health Insurance, there's Max Bupa, and there is Religare. All of them offer a 1 crore cover. Don't think too much, just buy it, because I think they're the best for you, because they're covering higher limits. And the ability for, when you grow old, these covers will be very hard to come by. So I think all in all, it's just about having a high sum insured plan and protecting you and your family.
Okay, so we've got twin thumbs up from both our experts. Final word with you, Dr. Bhabtosh. And, if you could throw in a word also for the elderly, for people with PEDs, pre-existing diseases, because they're the ones who find themselves slipping through the cracks and end up, having to either pay a huge amount of premium or end up with a policy that's pretty much redundant. They're paying so much money in the premium that they don't know if it makes sense. So word for them as well.
Sure, I would just say incremental. 1 crore might be a no-brainer, but make sure you have a base cover which is adequate. Never look for a base of 5 lakhs and a 95 lakhs of a super top-up, because that is not the right combination. Your base has to be something reasonable for today, for your age and the times. That's one, and that's very important. For elderly, it is important you take as much comprehensive as possible. A base of anything between 15 to 20 lakhs with a super top-up will work for you. It will help achieve a lower premium, at the same time higher coverage, which is the need of that age group. Lot of reasons why the premium is lower. The super top-up doesn't have your health checkup and few other benefits. That also goes into keeping the prices low. It's a basic cover on a comprehensive base. Your base should be robust. Super top-up is big. You are well protected.